Okay, next one we will deal with substrings. For example, here S1 has welcome to Java. We should be able to get a subset of string values. Let's say S1 substring 11. That means we should be able to get value after 11. So if we reverse the index 11 here, we can get the value for 11, 12, 13, and 14. Sorry, there is a typo called Java. I will change it to capital J later on. For now, let's leave it as it is. So 11, we can say it is referring to beginning index. Next one we say is that S1 substring, and then you are looking for certain values. We have a beginning index 0 and then ending index 11. This case 11 is not include, so exclude. So we are looking at index value 0 until 11, but actual contents is excluded. So let's say beginning index for 0. We will say end index or ending index. Again, that is not part of a substring. So we are looking at index value between 0 to 10. Again, index number 11 is not part of a substring. So next one is finding a character of a substring, string value. Again, I'm using same example as one index of, let's say, W. Next one is a index of O. That's going to return value number 4. That's the W here. And then alphabet O is here, number 4. Again, be careful, index of is capital O. We can also say that index of O. Then we can point to index value, in this case 5. That means we are going to search for alphabet O, beginning of index 5. And then as you can see, it appears on index number 9. Again, number 5 referring to fromIndex. So again, let me read it again. S1 index of 5 means we are looking for index value based on character value O from index 5. Again, if it doesn't find a value, it's going to return -1. Again, most important thing here, we are looking for in character value with this in substring. So let's say S1 index of. Now we are looking for string value. So can we look for substring with this in string value? So we know that COME appear on index value 3. We can find the substring Java from index 5. Again, in this case, we have a typo. So we cannot find actual value, exact value Java, because it's case sensitive. If you look at here, the capital J and lowercase j. Again, if you type exactly the same string value, lowercase j with Java, you will return index value 11. Again, be careful, it's case sensitive. Okay, let's go to next one. S1 and last index of. This time, let's look for character W. Is going to return value 0. Same as S1 index of W. let's say last index of character O, we know that it shows up twice. So last index of character O appear on index 9. Again, our example is pretty simple because of short string value. But if you have a large size of or lengthy string value, it might be quite useful. We can also search last index of character O from index 5 or specific index number. So start from 5 instead of searching for beginning, which is index 0. They will return number 4. Next one is last index of let's say capital J, Java. Again, case sensitive, we cannot find anything, so it's going to return -1. Lowercase Java. Again, this case also is going to return -1. Same problem, capital J. So let's look at the simple demonstration. We are still with string class. We are dealing with strings, substrings. So let's look at the first example of obtaining substrings. I will try to use the same example. Then with maybe with some minor corrections. Let me change back to lowercase j, so that will be consistent with the picture. So maybe I should change this j to I changed the actual value j to capital J. So my demonstration might be slightly different from what I illustrate on my Paint applications. So please be careful. Welcome to Java. It says that you can use a substring. Then you can specify index value. Sorry, that should be number 11, for example. That will return welcome to Java. Let me count. 10. That's the one. 11. Let's print. Again, it's going to return lowercase j. So let me change back to capital J. So it will be identical. So it will return Java. Next one, we can say the substring with beginning index and ending index. I think it's, you better start to read Java documentations. So start from index value 0, which is W. Then you continue read until 11th. But it's not include number 11. So we are going to have welcome to include one space. Again, and index, it does not include or is exclusive. Beginning index and the end index. Okay. So far, that was straightforward. A bit difficult to move around. Again, let's keep it this way. I just copy paste the same picture so that I can actually show you all of them together. Same example, okay, I copy from left to right hand side so that I can put it together for demonstrations. So we are looking at finding a character of a substring in a string value. This example might be slightly different, okay? Because we changed the value lowercase j to capital J. Again, let me make it clear at the beginning. If it does not match, and it will return -1. So index of lowercase w, sorry, capital W, is going to return index value. Lowercase o this time, it will return number 4, that will be 0. Again, lowercase o, and then let's say number 5, okay? Let me print output. Again, the first one is 0, and then second one is number 4. And then last one is number 9, okay? Again, don't forget the first alphabet O appear on index number 4, not 5, okay? That's why you return index value 9, not 5. Let me copy, paste it. This time we are looking at substring. So here, let me use a substring called COME. Next one, Java with a capital J. Then next one is lowercase j. So here is going to be different answer. So start from index 5. Java appear on index 11. Next one, again, we change from lowercase j to capital J, so that will be -1. So let's go back. That will be same. That is going to be -1. Sorry for the confusion, but I changed the value, okay? Again, let me go to another method called last indexOf. Also quite often we use it. So let me begin with the same indexOf, then I will add last in front of indexOf, and then let me copy it too. I recommend you to type it so that you can use with the actual syntax. So we say last index. Let me change it first. Okay, last index, capital I. One more, okay, last index. Again, capital W appear on index 0, that's correct. The second one appear on line number 9. Again, we are looking for last index value, so that should be 9. And this one, we are looking for last value of character O from index 5. Next one, again, it will appear 11. Same. And then lowercase j Java does not appear, so -1. So let me change, that should be 11. because I changed the value again. The last one is same. Okay. So let's look at 0, 9, 4, 11, minus 1. Okay. I highly recommend you to throw some more boxes and then type welcome to Java with index values and then evaluate the method one by one. And then I highly recommend you to read Java documents from now on, even though it's a bit difficult to follow because it's technical documents you need to look at carefully. Again, beginning is difficult, but once you get used with it, it's not that much. I think that's all for string class today. Thank you.